Have you ever wondered how most of the Indian women get intense and dark kohl eyeliner? Every story is different, but my story starts from my grandmother's story. Sita was my grandmother's name. So she used to make kajal at home while we were young. She used to burn almonds all night long with a clarified butter, and she would collect the ashes and make a paste. So that was used to ward off evil, while you also attract good luck. And scientifically, it is proven that applying kajal on the waterline of your eyes makes your eyes look brighter and cleans your eyes. And I infused the essential oils and wax and created my own modern version of Sita Kajal. This product is smooth, creamy, and it glides through the eye line, so we can gently apply just below the lash line. Go back and forth to get the effect. You can even go on the top of the eyelid to get that smoky look. Take a smudging brush, go over and rub it back and forth. This gives you that ashy effect and makes eyes look more intense and glamorous. If you like precision edge eyeliner or a smoky look to your eyes, Sita Kajal is a perfect pencil for you.